This model kit review is of the Harrier, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Monogram. And here we see some pictures of the finished model. This is an older model kit. And there's another picture there. And the dimensions. Let's have a look. So, first of all here we have, this is our giant turbo fan, and then this looks like the parts of the wheel wells. Inside of the cockpit has minimal detail, and here we have these will be rotating fans to help to do the vertical takeoff. All this detail though is raised. It's a really old model. And we have some missiles. Same thing for the other side. We have some wheels here, nicely molded. Got some weapons. And extra details here, the fans, the ducts. And here's a refueling probe. And here are the wings. We do have some flashing on here. And here's the top part of the wings. And stabilizer. Here's our cockpit with some nice surface detail. Injection seat there. Here's our instrument panel. And then we have our pylons. Here's the landing gear. And these little wheels off to the side. And then two main wheels. Here's our air intake. And we have our cockpit canopy, which is going to need to get polished. It's all scratched up. And there's our pilot guy. And we have our decals. Nicely printed, fair level of detail, even though this is an older kit. Yeah, just have got our instructions here. Got our colors needed there. So we start off with the fuselage, and then we build the cockpit. That's put into the fuselage. It looks like that's part of our wheel well. And that's put in place. We'll put in the turbofan, and the fuselage is glued together. Air intakes are put on, and then the exhausts. And the rotational fans. Then we put the stabilizers on. We start with the nose gear, and then we build the main gear. That's the air brake. We have pylons, wings going on. And then weapons going on. Side wheels go on. And shows you how they're positioned perpendicular to the ground. All these extra little body pieces. And then the canopy. Open or close. And refueling pod. Here are the painting and decal guides. This is an American version. Marines use that. And this is a British version. So, all in all, some good details for both the wheel well and cockpit. The molding quality is not that great, and a lot of the pieces have raised panel lines.